This is from Johann Sebastian Bach's St. John Passion. And actually it illustrates perfectly one of my favorite reasons for using the articulation silence, which is to really help us gain security and navigate through tricky fingerings. We saw some of that earlier, and I just thought it's fun to show this because it's a very extreme example. And by using a combination of different tongue strokes, the articulation silence, and also not playing unimportant notes. Some of you are in my not playing group, and that's, again, here's another example of that. We can break down what otherwise looks like a whole mountain of notes into something easier. Okay, so even you can use this as a practice. Doesn't mean you have to play it at concert tempo and whatnot, but it's actually just really fun to practice. So you see my markings here. So you'll want to stop the sound each time on those. So it's gonna, with the articulation, it'll be something like toot 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 toot. So basically you've got a 3 and then always a 2 by 2. And do this extremely slowly. And so forth. And you'll notice every time the clipped notes, so where you immediately stop the sound, those are going to be the notes that need to stay in the background anyway, so you don't need to play them. So the articulation silence helps us to not play them in parentheses. So they disappear into the background, and you're basically left with and maybe just, even this 3-note group is maybe just basically an E, because this last E also gets kind of clipped, right? So you're basically reducing then this whole passage into just those couple of notes, and you see how many notes I've left out then. So that's a mental technique, training ourselves to see what are the important notes that we need, and then let go of the rest, so that it's also actually easier for us mentally to play them, which will then also be beneficial for our actual playing.